to do a quick video because I've been MIA, missing in action, for several weeks while I was in hospital, which wasn't very pleasant for a while. Nothing resin related, by the way. And then before that I wasn't too well, and I actually do have some videos that I did shoot before I got sick, and I'm all well now. And even when I was sick, I couldn't have the energy to edit those. So what I want to do today is show you around my studio, how it kind of set up. This is my temporary studio. Ignore the green walls. They are not the greatest color to have in a studio. I'm moving to my new studio in, like a month, 5 weeks, and it's white. And it's got French doors, and it's got windows the other side, and it's bright and spacious, and I'm so excited. So this is gloomy, it's in our basement, but I had to make some adjustments because we were having some stuff done in the house. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let me see if I've got to say anything else to you. Oh, I do have one thing. So in the video, you'll see me talking about resin fumes, and what I was using is the dust covers. Let's see if I've got them out here. Yeah. I was using these for my respirator. They're for dust particles. What you need working with resin is fumes and a filter that will take out like all the stuff in the air. I've also got an air purifier down here because the room is not ventilated. So I bought these. These are specifically for like painting or, you know, resin. So that's what you need to get. Do not do resin without having the proper respirator. Even if you can't smell it, it's there, believe me. So without further ado, I'm glad to be back. I have several videos to edit and so much stuff that I want to work on. I probably will be doing more paint pouring down in my studio, and I've got some new tricks up my sleeve. I found some gadgets. So stay tuned for those, and in the meantime, let's get on with it. Really quick studio tour. So, welcome to my stewed. I have kind of 3 work tables. This is kind of my spare. There's a doggy bed in case one of my doggies come down. So this is sort of where I put stuff that I'm in between finishing. I have acrylic brushes here. I've got, this is full of mica powders, my respirator, and then I've got drawers full, oh, there they are. I've been looking for those, of you know, tapes, knickknacks, clock parts, you name it. These shouldn't be in here. These should be in here. Hanging materials. Anyway, so I've got this whole cabinet, you know, of drawers full. This is something I made out of pipes and plastic, and it is so I can either pull it out and, gosh, let me see if I can do this. I normally just slide things underneath it, but it is a dust cover, and it's roughly 4 feet by 3 feet. And so I just pop things underneath here, my resin pieces, and slide it under that table, and everything is dust free, and I can fit tons of stuff in here. Then in this cupboard, I have all my paints and inks and plastics and parchment papers, spare respirator parts, and in this side I have my crystals, ribbons, my cup turner, lollipop sticks, my collage pieces, my molds at the bottom, which are all covered in plastic. Oh, here are some more mica powders, my Naked Fusions. This table is my, oh, we fell over. This is my oil painting table. So, oh, this is my kind of rummage cup for like scissors and stuff. But those brushes over there are purely oil painting brushes. In that box over there are my oil paints. This is a painting I'm working on, which is my mother's cottage in England, which I've actually been working on it for so long. She's probably forgotten about it. Then under here I have my toolbox, which has, you know, obviously tools in it. This is all my wood burning stuff. My Arteza paints, and they're out because I'm just using them right now. And then I have drawers here for my cups and my gloves and heat instruments, and the bottom one's just full of paper and stuff. My lights when I'm shooting, which are like super bright, and I have this one is what I attach my camera to there. And all these, if you need like stuff, anything actually you see, most things, 90% of the things you see, you can get on my Amazon store, and I'll leave that in the link below. And anything you buy through my Amazon store does help me. It doesn't cost you a penny more, but it does help me. There's another little light I've got over here. There. So that's my kind of shooting setup. And then let me turn these lights off because they're super bright. Turn this one off. Here is my air purifier, which is quite large. And I got that because I developed like a really horrid cough. And oh, I got something else to show you, which is really cute. And then these two roller shelves just have, they have my tapes, they have things that, you know, I can work on. I've got some extra molds in here that I always jump to if I've got some leftover resin. I always pour into and then just like create these little things to make another platter. I've got vases I'm still working on. Oh, my Tinkerbells. Oh, I've lost all my, oh, here are my Tinkerbells. And I've got frames that I'm working on down there. And then in this cupboard, so let me stand back without falling over anything. So we had this armoire. So I thought, what can I do with this? So in here, I keep my resin at the bottom. I've got some extra squeezy bottles. I've got canvases in here. Sorry, my big finger crossed over. Canvases in here, some plates and stuff that I'll use for, you know, creating resin sculptures, shells, starfish, pebbles, ink pebbles. Sculpture can go actually up here. I haven't even put that on my Etsy store yet. These are some pieces that are waiting for a home. That vase, for some reason, I haven't even put on my Etsy store. And then on this shelf, I have like gessos and alcohols and glues and stuff like this. These paintbrushes are for gold only, like for gold leafing and using gold paints. And here's my sand collection, which is, so I guess this shelf here is my kind of beach shelf. And I've got some frames ready, some planks ready to work on. So that's that cupboard. And here's my big TV that I watch when I'm not recording. And then here's something I want to show you. I'm going to put the lights off. And I haven't even put these on my Etsy store yet, so I'm going to take a picture. These are 2 Tinkerbell beach scenes that I did last summer, and I've had them sitting on my to finish table, and I wanted to put lights on them and sell them as like little night lights. So they're ready to go on my Etsy store. So that's a quick studio tour. Anyway, thanks for watching, and here's a quick view of my new studio. There's some behind me, but I thought I would just share a quickie. See you on my next video. Bye.